before.
I was here and somebody said she was a math. Hey, is she a math?
No, she's a regular teacher.
Fourth grade art teacher? Fourth grade teacher at art. Maybe are they in Durham? You might have her next year.
I know. Better be nice.
You might want to help her move.
I know. Just let them help her move.
Yeah.
Oh, he's outside. Our back hurts. Look, Ashton is an angry bird.
He's an angry bird.
Hey, so what's the radar?
It should be that for Halloween.
I know, that's what we were saying.
That'd be the perfect Halloween.
She's gonna slingshot up to all the houses. And he's going, oh! All right. Okay, ready? Yeah, now.